In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to find the Amazon FBA fees. That way, if you're interested in selling a product on Amazon, you're going to know whether or not how much profit you're going to be making with Amazon. So let's get started right away. So let's say we're trying to sell a product very similar to this. This is eyelash extension glue. How would we know the Amazon FBA fees for this? It's real fast and simple. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look for the ASIN of this listing. So what I like to do here is go to the bottom of the listing under product details right here. You're going to look for ASIN and you're going to look for this code. All the listings have this, and if you can't find it under here, you can always find it on the URL amazon.com-dp- and right here is also the ASIN. It's the same as this. So what you're going to do now to find out how much Amazon FBA fees you're going to be paying, you're going to just go to google.com and you're going to type in Amazon FBA calculator, and that's going to take you straight to the source of Amazon's Seller Central. So this is really from Amazon itself, so it's always accurate. And you're going to continue as a guest here, and what you're going to do is paste that ASIN that you just copied. And you can click search, and this is how you're going to find the Amazon FBA fees for the product that you're trying to sell. So let's say we're trying to sell a product like this, and let's say we're trying to sell it at around the same price as this person here. This person has it on sale currently. It was on average, it looks like $27, but now it's on sale for $21. So let's say we're trying to sell it for $21, right? Let's say we're getting this product from Alibaba for $2.50, and the shipping cost for this is 50 cents. All right. That's going to leave you with a net profit of $10.67 and a net margin of 48%. So here are the fees for this product, right? It breaks it down into two things. The Amazon fee is pretty much what you're going to be paying to have it in Amazon's FBA center. This is the fee they take out just because you're selling it on Amazon. $4.29 per unit, and for them to ship the product for you, they charge you $3.68. So pretty much almost close to $8, $7, close to $8 with this. You can see here it breaks it down. $3.30 with a fixed fee of 99 cents and then shipment fulfillment cost. You also have to consider storage fees, which are very, very cheap. And then they also have a fulfillment per unit price now that it is pretty new. So you have to also consider this fee as well in your costs in total. Now, but the storage fees are not that expensive, especially if you're moving products. So what I like to teach people when it comes to selling a product on Amazon is that you want to make sure the product is small and light. That way you don't have to pay very high shipping fees. You see this product right here, they're only paying $3 for it to be shipped, right? If you're selling something big and heavy, you're gonna pay a lot more shipping fees, and it's gonna cut into the profit margin. You also wanna make sure that you're selling products pretty expensive, because if you don't, the profit margin is going to be low. I teach people, and I'm telling you this is very, very important if you're still watching this video, is that you want to make sure that you're having a net margin of 35% or higher when it comes to selling on Amazon. If you don't, this is going to lead to pretty much failure on Amazon. Even if you're ranked on the first page, it's not going to give you that cash flow and building a long-term business. So 3 tips when it comes to selling a good product on Amazon: 35% profit margin or higher. And ideally when you get this, it's because, like, let's say you're selling a product less than $18, it's going to have just lower margins, because shipping fees always going to be $3 minimum, and then, you know, the fulfillment, the cost just to sell it on Amazon's platform is probably going to be like $3 to $4. So ideally $18 or higher for a product that you're selling small and light and not in a competitive niche. All that I teach you guys for free here on my channel. It has a ton of content where it teaches you how to get ranked on the first page, how to make sure you're not in a competitive niche, how to grow a long-term business. You see, like me, I have like $1 million business now, but it started with literally nothing. Like I started with nothing and grew it from the ground up year by year, grew it from like $200 a day to $400 to $600 to, you know, $800. Yeah, now it's just cash flowing, and I want you guys to do the same exact thing. So if you want to learn how to do the whole process, just subscribe, check out this channel. It has a ton of free content for you. I also have a free course for you guys that has more basic information on there if you're interested of learning Amazon. It's all there for you. It has a ton of free content, the do's and don'ts, what products to stay away from, what products to consider. All of that is there for you. It's for free. You can literally just click that. I'll have it in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments. Try and help you guys out as much as I can. You can literally sign up and get started in like 3 minutes from now. Real easy. And I also have a more advanced course on there for you guys. Let's say if you're trying to take it really serious, make it like a full-time income, and you want to learn all that little details of like exactly how to get it ranked on the first page and keep it there and beat your competition and all my mistakes, the advanced course is there for you guys, which it's not free, but it's extremely affordable. I made it $99 a month, which I tried to make it monthly. That way you can finish it like in a month if you're serious about it, and you know, learn the whole process for only $99. Or you can, you know, check out that free course first. So I really recommend you to check out the free course, see if it's right for you, see if you learn a bunch of info on it. And if you do and you want to take that initiative to like make it a full-time income, you can check out that advanced course. And you can always check out all this content I have for you on my YouTube channel. And let's say you have a question regarding anything, leave a comment down below and I'll even make a video on it to help you as much as I can. Like, I'm here to help you guys out and mentor you as much as I can. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments down below. Also, if you could like this video and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It helps YouTube's algorithm. I really appreciate it. And that's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.